Feeling overwhelmed by Notion's complexity and wondering if Obsidian's knowledge graph is the greener pasture? Let's find out just how easy, or difficult, it is to migrate from Notion to Obsidian. First, data migration. Notion doesn't offer a direct export to Markdown, which is Obsidian's native format. You'll need to export your Notion pages as Markdown and CSV files for databases. Go to each Notion page. Click the three dots at the top right, select Export, then choose Markdown and CSV. Obsidian's text-based nature offers some distinct advantages, like using plugins. A common one is the Extract Highlights plugin. It lets you easily export your highlights to Obsidian. This is in contrast to Notion, where you can't copy over your highlights. For complex databases, the CSV export will require some manual cleanup and restructuring within Obsidian. Think of it like rearranging furniture. It takes time, but the end result can be perfectly tailored to your needs. Be prepared to do some manual linking to replicate Notion's relational databases. Now, the user experience. Notion is an all-in-one workspace, while Obsidian focuses solely on note-taking and knowledge management. Obsidian's learning curve is steeper, but the flexibility and powerful linking capabilities are worth it for many. Consider trying Obsidian's built-in tutorial, which will teach you the basics of Obsidian. Ultimately, ease of transition depends on your use case. If you heavily rely on Notion's databases and project management features, the switch will be more challenging. But if you're primarily using Notion for note-taking and want more control and a powerful linking system, Obsidian is well worth exploring.